Hello, welcome to my channel.
Call forwarding. Call forwarding allows you to have calls to your office phone automatically forwarded to a different number. It's perfect for those who don't spend all day in the office or do business on the go. These are the 3 kinds of call forwarding. Always. Every call will automatically be forwarded to the number you've chosen. Busy. Calls will be forwarded only when the phone being called is busy. No answer. Calls will be forwarded after a certain number of rings. You can customise call forward settings using Compilot, but if you're customising your options with your office phone, follow these instructions.
Lift your telephone set. Press *21*1234* your mobile number hash.
Where 1234 is default locking code for Nepal Telecom landline phone. Similarly 985782 is your desired phone number.
Now your phone call is forwarded into your new number. Please check by dialing existing phone number. It is completed.
It's time to deactivate forwarded call in existing set. To deactivate call forward, lift your handset and press number 21*1234#. Thank you.